How to add or remove keyboard input languages on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on General, Management. Then we go down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Next, at the top, tap on Languages and Types. From here, tap on Manage Input Languages. Next, scroll down and tap on the toggle button right next to the language that you want to add. So for example, if I go down and I want to add in, say Arabic, so here it is, Arabic, Egypt, so I can tap on that to download. And you can also use the search function up here to search for a language. And once you find it, you can tap on the toggle button to turn it on. So here you can see at the top, I've got English, Arabic, and Vietnamese. So that is how you can add it in. And once you have added, if you want to, bring up the keyboard, and if you want to change the language, just tap on the globe icon. And once you tap on the language icon, you can then switch between, so just going to bring up the keyboard. So here we tap on that language icon. This will allow you to switch between the different keyboard input. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.